In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a clean, professional one-page website using GoHighLevel. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley Roberts, and if you're a coach, freelancer, or service-based business owner, sometimes all you need is one solid page that clearly explains what you do and gives people a way to book with you. This tutorial is for you if you want a no-fluff, friendly site that you can build in one afternoon without hiring a designer or piecing together a bunch of different tools. By the end of this video, you'll have a one-page website that includes your bio, services, testimonials, and a way for people to book or reach out. Let's get into it. So first off, what is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel is an all-in-one business platform built for service providers, coaches, and digital entrepreneurs. You can use it to build websites, capture leads, book appointments, send emails and texts, and manage your whole client flow from one place. It replaces tools like Calendly, Wix, MailChimp, and sometimes even Kajabi or Teachable, depending on how you use it. For our one-page site, we're going to use GoHighLevel's drag and drop page builder. It's super simple once you get the hang of it, and it gives you a lot of flexibility to update your content anytime. Today, we'll be building a site that includes a strong headline and call to action, a short about section, your core offers, testimonials, a built-in booking calendar, and more. You can also add more sections as you go, but this structure is more than enough to launch and start attracting leads. Before we get into the tutorial, let's dive into some of the key features that make GoHighLevel great for one-pagers. First off, everything is inside one dashboard. You're not bouncing between hosting, email tools, website plugins, or appointment schedulers. Your site, calendar, forms, and automations are all under one roof. Second, it has a drag and drop page builder. You can add sections like text, images, buttons, calendars, forms, and more without any code. You just move the blocks where you want them and update the calendar. Third, the calendar integrates seamlessly. You don't have to copy embedded codes from another platform. If you use GoHighLevel for your appointments, you can add your calendar to your page in a couple of clicks. Fourth, it's mobile optimized, so your site will look good on both desktop and mobile, and you can even preview both versions while you build. And finally, it's fast to set up. You can literally go from a blank page to live site in an hour or two if you have your content ready. Okay, let's get into the step-by-step. So what you're going to want to do first is use our exclusive link down in the description below, and you can get signed up with a 14-day free trial. If you click here, you will just enter in your company name, your full name, your email address, and phone number, and then it will prompt you to set up a password. So as you can see, we've got the kind of dashboard over here. We're going to go ahead and go to sites. We'll go to websites, then you'll click new website, and then we're actually going to create from a blank page. You can create from a template, but that's going to be a whole website. We're just focusing on creating one page. Create. Okay, we're going to go ahead and click add new page. We'll click create new page. You just need to create a name. Cool. We can use existing or create from blank. You would have to select one from here. Maybe we'll just do the home page and import this. You can create from scratch, like I said, but it's going to be so much easier to navigate, make it cute, make it your vibe if you start from a template that's already created. But again, if you want to start from scratch, you can go ahead and do that, and everything you're going to learn is going to allow you to do that as well. So as you can see, what we're going to do is we're going to use just a health coach as an example. So you're going to add your hero section. If it's not already there, this is already in here right now. This is the very top section of your site, the first thing that visitors will see. So if you didn't like this one, for example, you can go ahead and edit this picture over here. You would just change this image. If you wanted to adjust the text, you can change the typography right here. You can change the font size, the weight size, etc. Okay, but again, if you wanted to start from scratch, you could click here and you could add pre-built section if they have one right here. They've got a bunch of different options here, or you can just add a blank section, pull it over, and then you could just add one column, and then in the background you would change the image to match like this, but I just wanted to show you an example. But we're going to leave this here. Then you want to add the book an appointment. So as you can see, this button is already here. If it wasn't, all you would do is come here, you can select button, and then you can drag it over, and then we would edit it from here. There's so many automations you can do in GoHighLevel, but this could directly go to book a call, so it would actually show your calendar and availability, or it could be maybe to an application or something like that. So again, however your business works, you'd want to do that. But here you can see the text right here. You book a free strategy call, and then this page, you can say go to next page, open pop-up, website URL, download file, etc., depending on what you wanted them to do next, background color, etc. You can change everything here. The next step is to add a short about you section. So again, if we were starting from scratch, we would add a section full width, and then you can go ahead and kind of add add all of your typography and everything in here, but since this is already here, this is where you would enter a few words about yourself. And you can write a short 2 to 3 paragraph, just kind of about you section, explaining who you are, what you do, and why you do it. Make it really personal but clear. You'd want to avoid listing your credentials and focus on how you help your client. If you had a really big transformation yourself and that kind of led you to work with clients in this way, which is what most coaches do, I would highly recommend adding that in there so people get to know you on a deeper level. Then at the end of the section, you'll want to again add a CTA to book a free strategy call, get an appointment, maybe apply here, whatever it is that you want to do. Then the next step is to add services or offer sections. So we want to highlight offers. Depending on how many offers you have, add 3 or 4. To do that, again, you would add a full width, and then within here, you would add 4 columns. You would drag in the 4 columns so then you can edit accordingly. But again, since this template is already in here, we don't actually have to do that. But what you want to do is for each service you offer, add a title of the offer, like one-to-one coaching, custom plans, or maybe a group program, and then a short 1 to 2 sentence description, and then optional is bullet points for what's included. Then you want to add a button or some way that they can click on it, or a link to your booking calendar or contact form. But again, if we wanted to add a quick little button down here to, apply here, okay, and then you could go ahead and make this a website URL and then enter in your link right here. The next step is to add testimonials or social proof. So as you can see, there's a testimonial section right here. So again, since this is already in here, it makes our lives a lot easier. We can kind of just drag it up and use this. And then you can add your testimonials in. Of course, if you wanted to start from scratch, you could add here. We would add a full width section. From here, you can add maybe 3 columns. And then within here, you can add each element. You can add an image slider in here. Maybe instead we want to just have it 1 column, and then we'll add the element. And this could be an image slider or a photo gallery. So then you can have all your client testimonials in here. Make it easy on yourself. You don't have to start everything from scratch, right? So maybe you just add all the pictures up here of your clients and then their testimonials down here. Okay. But again, make it easy on yourself. The cool thing about GoHighLevel and their website builder is that they make it really simple. So you can already use pre-made things. Don't feel like you need to start everything from scratch. You also can add a simple contact form. So all you have to do is click form after you have everything aligned, but you do have to make sure you have a form already built before. So maybe you do have some sort of application, you can embed it directly in here as well. I know this is not cute, but for time's sake, you get how to actually add the form in there. The last step is to tweak your style settings. So what you want to do is make sure your fonts, your brand colors, your button styles, your section pacing is all good to go. You really want to make sure it encapsulates you and your vibe and your aesthetic and your brand voice. Make sure you're clear on everything you want to write out and then go in and edit everything. You also want to make sure your website looks good, not only desktop, but also on mobile. Since so many people are using mobile these days, you really want to make sure that it looks good on both. The last step is to just click publish and your site is live and ready to go. I just wanted to quickly show you the different plans and pricing options so you're aware of what type of investment it would take to actually use GoHighLevel and a one-page website. So as you can see, they've got the starter, the freelancer, the agency pro. They've got monthly and annually. So if you pay annually, you'll actually save some money. So just keep that in mind. So with the starter plan, it's $97 per month and it's $970 per year, which brings you $81 a month. So again, you can save a bit. With this, you get unlimited users, 3 accounts, no SaaS, but you do get workflow builder, campaign builder, two-way SMS, two-way email, app marketplace for agencies, sub accounts, pipeline management. You get so much. Email builder, basic CRM, intent trigger memberships. You really do get everything, but there's just a few differences here. So then is the freelancer plan, which is $297 per month or $2,970 per year, which brings it to $248 per month. With this, you get everything in the starter plan, but you get white label desktop, memberships, chat support, phone support, partner program, etc. And then lastly is the agency pro plan, and this is $497 per month billed monthly or $4,970 per year, which brings that to $414 per month. You get everything in the freelancer plan, but you do get SaaS mode, custom objects, email, phone, text rebilling, split testing, agency reporting, AI conversational bot, and more. So you can always get started with the free trial, start off with a starter, and when you need more, you can go ahead and increase from there. If you want to check out GoHighLevel yourself and get started with the free trial, I've left the link down in the description for you. So if you're a service provider who wants to look legit online, but keep things simple, GoHighLevel is such a great way to build a site that not only looks good, but actually functions as part of your business. You don't just want a pretty page. You want a page that books calls, collects leads, and keeps your process streamlined. This one-page setup is all you need to launch, attract clients, and start selling your offers. Something I love about GoHighLevel is how simple and easy it is to use. I've used so many systems and platforms that are kind of all in one, and they are so clunky, but truly GoHighLevel is one that everything just works smoothly and efficiently, and it's easy to use and clean. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build simple, effective websites and learn the tools that make running an online business easier without the overwhelm. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.